In a bowl, add 3 eggs, pinch of salt, 150 grams of sugar, hundred and 50 milliliters of orange juice, 120 milliliters of oil, $230 grams of flour, 15 grams of baking powder, orange zest, bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Layer the top with apricot jam. Top it off with desiccated coconuts. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!